Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created my puzzle using the AliExpress die that I picked up, and I will link the exact one I got in the description below. And this is a special request from Anna, so shout out to you girly, thank you for the request. And I already have my paper picked out. I'm using the 31 paper collection by Prima Marketing and Frank Garcia. First things first, you want to label your die how you want to use it, so either vertical or horizontal. And you'd want to label top and bottom on your die with some Sharpie, that way all of your puzzle pieces match up together with your layers. So now that I got this die cut out, I am gonna put this to the side, and you want to make sure that you put them in order, that way you don't mix up your puzzle pieces. For my second layer, I'm going to be using this oval Sizzix die, and this is the paper that I'm going to be using. So I did die cut that off camera, and this is how it turns out. Alright, so now you just want to make sure you are paying attention to the top and bottom label of your die. And what I like to do is place my paper underneath the die and play around with the placements of where I want to put my second layer. And then I'm just going to add some tape, or you can use some washi tape, and tape it down, that way it doesn't move around when you're die cutting. So now that I got my second layer die cutted out, you want to go through each puzzle piece, and you can either start from the bottom to the top or top to bottom, either way, and then just make sure you are gluing down the right puzzle piece to your first layer. So this is going to be my third layer, and I believe this is a cut apart from the paper collection. I think it's super cute. So now that I like the placement, I have my tape ready, and now I'm just going to put my die over my puzzle and try to get it even as possible in the middle. And just make sure for each layer that you are adding to your puzzle that you're die cutting it the right way. Again, just keeping in mind the top and bottom label you did on your die. It's super helpful. Alright, so I did die cut that off camera, and now time to glue our third layer down. So this is going to be the final layer to my puzzle. I used a bunch of the ephemera pieces from the collection and played around with the placement, and I really like how this turned out. So you can either die cut the ephemera one by one, or you can do it all at once. It's however you want to do it. So I just individually tape each of the ephemera pieces over my die. Alright you guys, so this is the final product. This is just me putting the puzzle together. I do want to note that I did stitch all of these sides in some pink thread because I really like how that looks. I also added another layer to the back of my puzzle in some pink cardstock just to keep the puzzle pieces more sturdier. So again, thank you to Anna for this request. I hope this helps. Oh, I also want to say, if you find that some of your puzzle pieces are a little warped from the glue, or if they're not staying flat, you can run it through your die cutting machine, and I noticed that that helps. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.